In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Advanced Search. We'll walk through the global screener and show you how to turn a vast universe of companies into a focused, investable list using precise financial filters. First, log in to TIKR Terminal. On the left-hand sidebar, click Global Screener. It opens with a default set of filters already in place, which serves as a starting point. Think of this as your workspace for exploring over 100,000 stocks across the world. The global screener is designed to help you cut through the noise by applying data-driven criteria, so you're not manually sifting through tickers. To add advanced filters, click the plus Add Criteria button or simply hit the plus icon. This opens the filter categories. You can choose from valuation, financials, growth, margins, analyst estimates, industry or country, and market cap. Each category narrows the search in a different way. Valuation includes common ratios like price to earnings or enterprise value multiples to help you compare price against fundamentals. Financials covers core statement items such as revenue, EBITDA, and net income, as well as balance sheet indicators. Growth focuses on how fast a company is expanding, typically through revenue or earnings growth rates over different timeframes. Margins lets you set thresholds for profitability, like gross, operating, or net margins, so you can emphasize quality and efficiency. Analyst estimates bring in forward-looking expectations, useful when you want to align screens with consensus outlooks. Industry or country targets specific sectors or geographies to match your focus areas. Market cap helps define company size, from smaller, more volatile names to large, established firms. After selecting the filters that match your idea or strategy, click Fetch Screen. TIKR will return a list of companies that meet your criteria. The results reflect exactly what you asked for, so the more deliberate your inputs, the more relevant your output will be. If the list feels too broad, consider tightening a few ranges. If you get too few results, slightly widen your thresholds. Pay attention to metric definitions and time periods, such as trailing 12 months versus the last fiscal year, so you're comparing apples to apples. A practical approach is to start broad, maybe by sector and market cap, then layer on valuation, growth, and margin constraints to refine the universe. Combining categories helps avoid blind spots, like pairing growth with margins to emphasize sustainable expansion, or valuation with financial strength to reduce risk. When you're satisfied, your screen becomes a powerful shortlist to research further.